to the channel. So in this tutorial we will learn about a string and the important functions and methods in the string for the string manipulation. Okay. So basically in Python a string is a sequence of characters and they can be enclosed within a single quote, double quote or a triple quote. Right. So strings are fundamental to programming because they are used to represent text data. Okay. So in this video we will cover some of the most commonly used string functions and method in Python. Right. Okay. So here are all the string methods and string functions which we can use in our day-to-day coding. Okay. So these are very simple, starting with lower function, as the name suggests, used to convert a string into lowercase, upper used to convert the string to the uppercase. Then we have strip, which is used to remove any trailing or leading spaces from a string. Okay. Then we have replace. So within our string, if we want to replace some substring, we can use this replace method. Then we have split. Split is basically used to split a string into a list kind of thing. Okay. Then we have join. Join is basically if we have some list and if we want to join them as a string, we can use this join method. It will give us the string from the list. Then we have find. Find is used to get the first occurrence of a substring in a string. Then we have start with, end with, which are used to check whether a particular prefix or suffix is present or not at the starting point or at the end in the string, and it will return true or false based on if the prefix or suffix is present or not in the string. Then there are two built-in functions, one is length, one is str. So len is used to convert to check the number of character in a string, and str is used to convert any kind of data type to a string. Let's say we have a number, if you want to convert that to a string, we can use str. Okay. So let's see demo for each one of them. Okay. So let's say we have a text which is hello world. So if we want to convert this to lower case, so we can write text dot lower. Okay. Then we have upper. Same thing, if you want to convert everything to uppercase, we can just write upper, text dot upper. Then we have strip. Let's say we have some spaces here, and if you want to remove these spaces, we can use strip. Okay. So basically this will be text dot strip. Okay. Next we have replace. So in our text, if you want to replace hello with something else, so we can use replace. Okay. So it should be replace. Then what we want to remove, let's say we want to remove world, replace world with what, let's say universe. Okay. So text to replace is world, text with replace will be universe. So it will replace the world with the universe. Okay. Next we have split. So split is basically to split a string with some delimiter. Let's say we have hello world, and if you want to create two separate word from this, we can split by comma. So we can use split, and then we can use comma here. Delimiter will be comma in this case. Okay. In join, join is the opposite of split. In split we are splitting the text, and in join we will join them back. Let's say we have here, we have my list. Okay. We have two element here, one is apple, one is orange, and if you want to convert this list to a string, we can use this join. So what we need to do, print. So we need to join it with what? So we need to join it with comma, then we need to use join method, and we need to pass our list here. so this will give us a string. Okay, then we have find. So find means if we want to find something in the string, let's say we want to find hello, and here we can use find. Okay, next is start with and end with. Okay, start with, we need to check if we want to check if our string is starting with hello 1. Let's see what it will return. End with, will check if our string is end with, currently it is ending with space. Let's see, we'll put this exclamation. Okay, it will be end with. Okay, length will be used to give us the length of the total number of character in the string text, and str will be converting any data type to the string. Let's say we have a number data type, and if we want to convert this to a string, we can use print str of a. So this will convert. Okay, let's run this, then I'll explain it one by one. Okay, so first is lower, so it is converting everything to lower, then uppercase. So here you can see there are some spaces, right? But when we use strip, it is removing the spaces from there. Okay, then we have replace, we replaced with hello world with hello universe basically. So here we have hello universe. Now we have split, we are delimiting, separator is comma, we are splitting by comma, so we got a list hello and world. Okay, now this is join, where we want to join this list with by to get a string. So we are joining with comma, and we got this apple and orange as a string. Okay, then find, we need to find whether our text hello or not. So it will give us the index. If you see here, find the position of the first occurrence of a substring. Okay, so it will give us 1. Okay, first occurrence here, this is 0, this is 1. If we remove this space and if we run it again, find will give us the 0, the index will be 0. Okay, then we have find is done, then we check whether it starts with hello 1, so which is false. Ends with exclamation, also false because we have a space here. If we remove this and if we run it again, so now ends with is true, and if we want to make start with also true, so we can just write like this. If we run now, we have start with true, end with true. Okay, then total length of the text is what, 13. If you see here, these all will become 13 character total, and then we are converting an integer to a string via str. If you want to check the type, whether what is the type of this after conversion and what is the type before conversion, so we can write using type function, we can get the type of the variable. If you see earlier it was int, after conversion it is str. Okay, so this is all the string methods which we can use in our day-to-day coding. So to recap, we have covered a variety of string method and function, from manipulating and formatting string to checking specific conditions, right? So I hope you like this video. Please comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.